And now your 13 News Now weather forecast, certified most accurate in Hampton Roads.
All right, it's cold out there. Good visibility right now. Of course, we've seen that a lot lately. Inland areas, though, have been a little bit foggy, but not tonight. Tonight, things are clear. It is going to be downright cold, coldest since mid-March. 36 roughly at literally along the beach. That's where the official reading is taken at Norfolk International. Most areas will be freezing or below once you even get a couple of miles inland, and then mid-20s to near 30 for very far inland areas. So pretty wide range. Right now we have a wide range as well. It's 40 degrees. Look at the wind though, sustained at 22 and gusts as high as 30 miles per hour. Readings right now down approaching the teens in Elkins, but here in Virginia you can see a number of 20s, some 30s, and there's that 140 showing up here locally. Dropping it back then as we go into the morning hours, as I said, right near the shoreline, about freezing or a little bit above, but for everybody else freezing or below, a number of spots down into the upper 20s. The only spot we don't expect a hard freeze tonight, other than maybe literally the beaches themselves, would be down here across areas of the Outer Banks. Again, we're also watching that cold air stream across the Gulf Stream. The Gulf Stream waters are still relatively warm. That creates some instability. So we could see a few clouds at times tomorrow right near the coastline and especially down in North Carolina. But overall, we're going to say sunny for at least 95 or 90% of us. Tomorrow night, not quite as cold, but still very much below normal. And then the clouds increase late in the day on Sunday as temperatures moderate back up into the 50s. Sewell's Point tide, well, we had about 4.5 feet earlier, right on the border of minor and nuisance flooding. Tonight, another couple of hours, it'll be a couple inches lower. Another few inches lower than that into Saturday and gradually go down from there. There's nothing really on radar other than a little bit offshore, as we just showed you, that's hard to see those low clouds. Tonight 36, but even colder inland, 45 tomorrow, lots of sunshine. Some clouds though in North Carolina. Tomorrow night 37. Clear and cold. And here's that Antares rocket launch. 30 seconds later, the eastern shore will see it. Most of us about a minute later, and then about 90 seconds later once you get down into northeast North Carolina. And again, it will be cold, but for a lot of areas clear. Sunday 56. Clouds moving in late in the day, and then the 7-day forecast, 20% chance of a shower Monday, 59. Then we stick right in that general range until late next week when it warms up even more.
All right,
After 70.
Thanks, Jeff.
Yeah.